If you drink okra water every morning on an empty stomach, what happens to the body? First, your skin will become smoother. The nutrients in the okra water are good for the skin, promoting healthy skin and helping to slow down the aging process. Secondly, okra helps regulate blood sugar levels, especially for people with diabetes, and the ingredients in okra may help reduce blood sugar fluctuations. Okra water contains vitamins A, C, K, and B, as well as nutrients such as calcium, iron, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients are essential for the proper functioning and health maintenance of the body. In addition, some ingredients in okra may have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation and symptoms of related diseases. Some studies suggest that certain components in okra may have a positive effect on blood pressure and help maintain a healthy cardiovascular system. Okra water also has a diuretic effect, helping to remove excess salt and water from the body and helping to maintain water balance. Follow me to learn more about health.